Welcome back to ExoTech. I'm your instructor, Devnul, and in this third video of our web page creation with AI, a hands-on approach series, we dive into Framer web building.
Go to framer.com. Login into website with Google. This is our first project created. Here are the pre-built components you can add. Let's create a simple web page. Let's add a navbar here. Let me create a simple page. Now let's test this web page by clicking this button on top right corner. Look great. This is created with 0 line of code. Let me quickly add another page here. Let's preview this blog page. Looking great. Let's publish this. Our website is now online that is created with 0 line of code. can modify and more things in this or explore more options. That's our intro to Framer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along in web page creation with AI, a hands-on approach. Thanks for watching ExoTech.